Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of that device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the device our device speakers will reach the highest volume, so this value then will change here on the display. So let's start. As we can see, our device reached 113.8 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.